Oh, you guys will never guess what this is. Just got it in the mail today. So it's my Mila. Now, just saying that on top of this box, I got this. Not sure what this is. Guess I'll find out later. Not sure what this is, but it came on top of the box when you first open up the first flap. Let me take it out of the box. Hold on a minute. Power cable. Let's see how it is. Y'all want to see the box? Hold on. This is the box. Refreshingly thoughtful air purifier. So, as you see, it comes with a filter. Now look at how thick this filter is. This filter is thick. Look at this, and that's the one that I got, the overreactor. I believe this is like basically all four. You get like 4 or 5, I believe, different filters. This is the highest one. Yes, it's digital. It has a thing up here like our the home pod is. I'm gonna take a few minutes. I'm gonna set it up. I'll be right back. So the filter, I guess it pulls it up from the bottom. As you see, this is an actual, I believe this is the carbon on it. You know how filters, a lot of filters have, air purifiers have carbon on it. That's it. Passes through like that. Put it in like so. Slides right in there. The top goes right back on. That's it. Like I said, there's an app for air purifier. Isn't that crazy? Again, this is called the Mila, M-I-L-A. I'm gonna leave the website in the description. Hold on. Also, the little shoes. It asks you if you want it, because this can like just lay right on the floor. These right here are called shoes. That's what they call them. But yeah, if you go on the website now, I forgot the code. I'll probably put the code in the description. You put it in, you get I believe 15% off or 30% off. I'm not sure. So from $2.99 to $2.69. All right. Also, remember that thing that I had in the beginning that came? It goes right on the filter, which made a lot of sense. As you see, it just goes right on.